Night apartment fire near the intersection of 13th and Harrison in Topeka forces 15 families out of their homes and into hotel rooms tonight. Kansas First News reporter Katie Sampson tells us what neighbors say about the blaze and how the Red Cross is helping victims.
This video of an apartment fire next door reminds Wesley Cohen of something he'd just as soon forget.
7 years ago, we was living in the south side and our house caught on fire, right? It was an electrical thing in winter.
Just before midnight Saturday, Cohen was watching a movie when he heard screams. After calling 911, he picked up his camera.
And then one of the front windows of the place, there was a flame shooting out. Looked like a blowtorch flame coming out.
Pictures show first responders rescuing residents trapped on the second floor. Fire officials say one person went to the hospital and DMTs treated several on site for smoke inhalation. Red Cross volunteers helped the others.
What I did was just made sure that everybody, was comfortable as much as I could make them on scene. But everybody was just a little concerned, what's going to happen now? That's the first question.
Topeka Metro provided a bus to shuttle the 25 residents to a nearby hotel where the Red Cross will pay for them to stay for the next 3 days. As for the building, fire officials say a grease fire started the blaze. They estimate about $30,000 in structural damage and $20,000 in personal property loss.
What my understanding is right now they're assessing the structural safety of the building, so there's no one being allowed back in right now.
While residents wait to hear if they'll eventually return to their homes, Cohen says positive thinking helped him through his ordeal 7 years ago. Katie Sampson, Kansas First News.